You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Today, Butch and I are back with another Easter video.
I can't see very well with these things, LPS Dave. What's the one we're doing today again? I put it in here, I just don't remember.
Why do you have those on, by the way? That's a unicorn.
I can't take it off. I love it. Remember me? I'm Honey Blossom.
Yeah. But I tell you what, that's a perfect lineup because Snap, Crackle, and Pop all have bunny ears like you.
Oh, yeah, now I see.
Got it?
Uh-huh.
I don't know why the box is like this. I would have put the box like this.
Can't see very well, LPS Dave.
Okay. Let's keep the box like that. Okay, so we have Rice Krispies, Kellogg's Frankfurt chocolate made with Kellogg's Rice Krispies, milk chocolate, and cereal.
Please cut to the chase, LPS Dave. Spoiler alert, is this solid?
I think so.
Oh, I hope so, LPS Dave.
It does not say solid. It says Snap, Crackle, and Pop.
Well, they're solid.
And it's a pretty bluish box that fades off into this green. And there's butterflies and bubbles in the sky.
You said that like an Irishman, LPS Dave.
I don't know why.
Butterflies and bubbles.
No intention to speak another dialect.
I think that's more like Lucky Charms, isn't it? Not
I don't
Snap,
know.
Crackle, and Pop.
No, I don't know what you're talking about. All right, so let's see. Milk and chocolate and cereal. Milk, chocolate, and cereal doesn't say anything about solid. Like a chocolate bar. Rice Krispies, a perfect Easter basket edition.
Let me just go on the record as saying if this is not solid, I'll be totally bummed out, LPS Dave. That'll be an Easter bummer. Because what it would mean is there's just a bunch of loose Rice Krispies floating around inside
And it is
of
kind of neat.
hollow chocolate.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. Well, that would be cool, actually, if it was filled with Rice Krispies. But you see the Rice Krispies on the bottom of the cutout of the box. That's really cool.
I'd still go on the record as saying I'd be totally bummed out if it was hollow.
What?
An Easter bummer.
Well, I'll tell you in a second. By first touch and weight, not hollow.
Yes.
But by general, it could be pretty thick chocolate. You know what I mean? My guess is no. It's solid as a rock. Solid. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the back of this.
Solid as a
Don't freak out.
Easter candy.
Don't freak out. But the back of this looks really cool. You ready? Take the bunny.
Whenever you say don't freak out, I immediately
No,
start
don't freak out. Nothing to freak out about. Look at this.
Oh, that's promising right there, LPS Dave.
That's some of this. So you see all the they're actually full-size Rice Krispies in there.
Wow.
I need to extricate one of these.
This is not some little chintzy
No.
things.
This is serious stuff. I'm gonna zoom into this now. We're gonna get into the crispy.
Yes, surgical.
Look at this. There's a
surgical removal of a crispy.
crispy right here.
It's a crispyectomy.
I don't know what that is.
Ask your physicians at home.
No, don't ask. Ignore. I hear it.
I wonder if you can
I've hit the
pull all
crispy.
those out of there and actually create a bowl of
Let's
cereal.
I tell you what. I'm just gonna cut around it.
It's hard to get out in one piece, I have to say.
It is. It's very crumbly.
It's crumbly.
It's crispy. It's crispy crumbly.
Crispy and crumbly. Oh.
No, it wasn't. It's there, but it's changed
you can hear
colors.
it, though.
Yes. I tell you what. Let's just give this a
Careful.
totally.
Whoa! Yeah, it's an Easter miracle.
Okay, so what I'm seeing here. Let me get the camera back a little bit.
a whole lot of chocolate.
Yeah, there's a whole lot of chocolate in there.
There's a whole lot of chocolate going on.
Is that those Rice Krispies you see on the bottom? They're there. It's just slightly, I don't know, maybe mutated with the chocolate. You know what I mean?
Mutated.
Yeah.
That's a good marketing point for the chocolate bar to use the word mutated in their
Oh, yeah. So it's more like a solid bar, and the Krispies have now become one with.
There's little air pockets in there, I see.
It just tastes like a regular bar.
Not crispy enough.
You get a tiny amount of the crisp.
Oh, Kellogg's, we need more crisp. Get Snap, Crackle, and Pop on the blower.
I think on the
On the Easter blower.
I'm going to say
It's not very Crunch Bar-like. I think you might be expecting Crunch Bar.
I'm expecting more Rice Krispies in there.
Could you melt this down and add more of your own Rice Krispies and reformulate it, LPS Dave?
But I think what really happened is what I said. the Krispies are soft, like you put them in milk.
Absorbent.
Yeah, they get really mushy.
Yes, but these are Snap, Crackle, and Pop are supposed to stay Snap,
I
Crackle,
know,
and
but look at
Poppy
that.
in
Do you
milk.
see a single crisp in there?
They don't stand a chance against chocolate.
No. Well, for me, it's all about trying different things. Showing people what you can find in the store. And presenting it to them in a very professional, childlike, silly.
And worst case scenario here, LPS Dave, what you have is a solid bar of chocolate for Easter, which is very hard to find these days.
Yeah, but I'm showing here now, they show all these Krispies inside. That is not what you get.
It seems like somebody stole the Krispies.
Yeah.
Somebody stole our Krispies, LPS Dave.
But either way, it is a perfect addition to an Easter basket.
How
if
is
you
the
like.
chocolate, by the way?
Chocolate is good.
Good.
I've always liked Frankfurt chocolate. Have many a times.
Never heard of it.
And I think we're going to take the unicorn thing away from you.
I don't know, LPS Dave.
It's nice that you
Kind of like my new identity.
see things. And...
Can't do the voice for very long. Okay. What if you took a bite of chocolate, started chewing it, and then threw a handful of Rice Krispies in?
That's the way I would do it. That's the way I would do it.
Seems like a lot of work.
Actually, you know what I'd do? I'd probably just put this in the blender, chop it all up, get a bowl of Rice Krispies, and just sprinkle it on top.
It's a lot of work.
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready for Easter now, LPS Dave.
Yes. Well, there you go. Happy Easter, everybody. Thanks for watching. We truly appreciate it.
Happy Easter, everybody.
Later.
Bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a Lucky Penny,
Pick it up.